Hello students, in this video we will discuss how to find median of grouped data. So for this, let's take question number 1 of exercise 14.3. So in this question, the data which is given is the monthly consumption of 68 consumers. So we are given with these class intervals and the frequency. So first of all, to find median, we need to calculate cumulative frequency, and the abbreviation for cumulative frequency is CF. So how to find CF, I am going to explain. The first value will write same to same. So यहाँ 4 है तो same to same 4 लिखेंगे. After that what we will do, this 4 we will add in 5, then what we get 9, तो हमने यहाँ 9 लिख दिया. After that 9 will be added to 13, so we will get 22, हमने 22 लिख दिया. Then 22 will be added to 20, then we get 42. This 42 we will add in 14, then we get 56. Then we get 56, will add to 8, and then we get 64. Then we add 64 to the 4, then we get 68. Now this is the process to find CF. Now to check that we calculate which we CF we calculate that is correct or not. For that what we can see that we can add these frequency and the value which we get should be equal to the last CF. So here we see that the sum of frequency is 68 and the last CF is also 68. That means we can say that the value of CF which we have calculated is correct. Now next to it, the formula to calculate median is L plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. So what are L, N upon 2, CF, F and H will discuss. So first of all, we need to find out median class, and for that what we will do. So first of all we calculate N upon 2. N is sum of frequencies, that is sigma Fi, which is 68. So N becomes 68. So N upon 2 becomes 68 upon 2, that is 34. Now how we will get median class? So first of all we need to observe a value in the column of CF which is just greater than N upon 2. So the value in the column of CF which is just greater than N upon 2 is 42. So this class interval, the value against this class interval is median class. Okay, so this is the median class, and the frequency of median class is F, and the CF which is of the class interval just preceding the median class is said to be CF. Okay, so now we get median class, F and CF. So median class we get this is CF and this is F. Now L is the lower limit of median class. Lower limit is 125, so we have written L equals to 125. H we know, H is the class size. Class size is, we can see that the gap between class intervals is 20, so H is 20. Now median is L plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. Put the values, and after simplifying it we get median equals to 137 units. Now to understand it more better, let's take one more question, that is question number 4, and the data is for the length of leaves. So we are given with the class intervals, the length in millimeter and the number of leaves. So first we need to observe one thing here, that is the class intervals which are given, or the data which is given to us is the inclusive data. So first of all we need to convert this data into exclusive data, or therefore we can say we need to find the true limits. So for that we have studied in the earlier classes that we have the gap of 1 here. So we will subtract 0.5 from the lower limits, and we will add 0.5 in the upper limits of all the class intervals, and in doing this we get these new class intervals. So data should be in the exclusive data, so we have converted into exclusive data and we get this new class intervals. We can see 118 में से आप 0.5 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, then we get 117.5, 126.5 में से 0.5 ऐड करेंगे, then we get 126.5, and in the same way we have generated all these class intervals. Now number of leaves, that is fi. Now what we need to find out? cf. So the process will remain same. 3 as it is लिख दिया, 3 में 5 ऐड किया तो 8 आ गया, 8 में 9 ऐड किया तो 17, 17 में 12 ऐड करेंगे तो 29, 29 में 5 ऐड किया तो 34, 34 को 4 में ऐड करेंगे 38, 38 को 2 में ऐड करेंगे then 40. Now we can see that the sum of the frequency should be 40, which is same. That means जो हमने cf find किया है वो क्या है? Correct है. Now n upon 2 will be 40 upon 2, that is 20. So n upon 2 is 20. Now we need to find a value in the column of cf which is just greater than 20, that is 29. तो इसके सामने जो class interval है, that means this one. This class interval becomes the median class. This becomes f, और इससे ऊपर वाले class interval में जो cf है, that becomes cf. Okay, so we are with median class here, cf and f. Now h, इन दोनों के बीच में कितना गैप है? 9 है, तो h becomes 9. Lower limit is 144.5, so L is 144.5. Now put the values in the formula of median. Then after simplifying it, we get required answer 146.75 mm. Thank you.